How the fuck are you guys doing today? So today this video is, I get asked all the time in the live streams, Justin, have you bought any new tools lately? So I thought I would kind of give you a brief overview of what I've bought in the last couple months and, you know, just kind of go over some of the stuff that I've been buying. I haven't been buying as much as I used to. That's because I fucking own every goddamn thing known to man. So now I'm kind of working on specialty tools or just things that I pick up that are nice and neat. We will say that we are going to have, I'm going to show you an updated hardware store video here shortly once I get everything in. So the first thing here that we had to buy is a new Milwaukee 3-inch cutoff wheel, which I absolutely love this thing. I don't know why. Like when I'm in Milwaukee, I told them this thing is better than sex. Love this thing. So a 15-ton dump truck, if you run over this, it becomes no fucking good at all. So I had to buy a new one of those. So I got that off Amazon, just tool only. Okay. Alright, we'll go into this shit. The next thing that I bought these at the truck show, okay? What this is thread repair kits. It's called this Nice thread repair kit. It's for, like, if you have a, let's say, a big spindle or an inner nut that's kind of fucked up, you can put this nest system on there right here and rethread it. So they have, this is for internal. Then what you do is, yeah, they got these little sockets that come with it. So you, you know, put this in the hole and then put this out and it will, you know, restore threads and then you can thread it down in there. I thought it'd be a cool thing to have. It was under $1,000 at the truck show. So I bought this kit. It's called Nice, N-E-S. And I also got the Big Daddy kit. I haven't used it yet, so I don't know anything about it. But, you know, this will do up to 1 3/8. Or what is that? Yeah, 1 3/8 fucking bolt size, which is pretty fucking big. So I got that kit at the truck show, you know, down in March. That's what I bought myself when I was down there. So we got that just in case we fucking ever need that. Alrighty, the next stuff is some Snap-on stuff. What I bought is the large truck coolant refilter. This is the adapter set. So it's all the different adapters that go on top of the radiator caps. I thought I would need that. You never know when you need this type of stuff. So, you know, it's, I mean, why not have that kit? And I'm sure that I paid 3 times what it was. I could have looked on Amazon or somewhere else, but do I give a fuck? No. So, that's that. And then this, so the part number on this, if you want the adapter set for your large truck coolant thing that vacuums out there, it is SVT8 or A8100. That's that. And then this is the fucking coolant adapter, or the coolant system refiller for large trucks. That is SVTS RAD372TA. Okay? And as you can tell, you know, still in the packaging. But this is a large truck refiller. I thought this would be a necessary item. You know, if we ever knock a radiator hose off or get a hole in the radiator hose, you know, welcome to my pain. Alright. And the next thing I bought is these 3/4 inch Allen socket, impact Allen sockets. So I have 5/8 and 3/4 Allens. These are used for drag links on big trucks. The reason I bought these is because the neighbor guy comes over and borrows my tools from time to time. We have a mutual, we went to the same high school. He fixes a lot of stuff over there. His dad owns the company. So we share a lot of tools. Usually it's, Justin, can you fix this? Can you slot this bracket? Do you have this socket? So now I have those sockets for the future. Plus, I'm going to need them too. Alrighty, the next thing I got is from Kimball Midwest. These are ratcheting, clipping pliers for like, kind of those weather pack connectors. I wanted to get a better set of these, and I got both versions here because I don't know what it is, but it's for like weather pack connectors and multi-pack connectors, things like that. The next thing I got is, I already own one of these, but this is for Truck Mechanic on YouTube, or George. He helps me from time to time. He came down and used this thing and said this is completely badass. And he helps me and answers my electrical questions. So I bought this for him. So George, if you watch this video, come down and get your pliers, bud. All yours. Alrighty, I think that's about it. Oh, I got some other stuff. When you spend $1 million worth of company, ARM sent me these beautiful air fresheners of little dump trucks. I thought that was cool. Everybody at ARM Bed, which is American Road Machinery, thank you guys so much, from Will and Drew and all those guys up there. We are having a great relationship. Also, I'm going to go up in July, and we are going to build the truck beds for next year. So I'm going to bring the camera along, and I'm going to show you, we're going to engineer some stuff to make the ultimate dump truck bed, is really what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make something that A, anybody can buy, make money, and B, be safe out there and have to work on it less. Because I think every operator of a dump truck fleet would love that. So I'm trying to re-engineer some of these body things and use my feedback of what's broken, what works, what doesn't work, so we can refine these dump truck beds so ARM has the best product that you can get in the country. That's my goal. Alrighty. The next thing I got is I'm officially part of the Pack Out Club. Okay? I'm a Pack Out whore. Okay? I don't know anything about this. I bought this from Ohio Power Tool. Yes, I spent my own money on this. But what this is for is, if you guys see the video, I got that new welder and all that stuff. And I kind of went a little crazy on Amazon because I have a water-cooled TIG torch now, which I'll explain to you. But this is going to be where I put all my consumables. So it can stay on the cart or under one of the carts. And I have my tungsten, different gas lenses, all that type of stuff. I thought these pack-out boxes would be the best thing. Now, I got the mini pack-out boxes. These came from Ohio Power Tool. I don't know what the fucking... Oh, here's the part number. I think it's 48-2284. So I got two of these smaller ones. Okay, and two of these bigger ones. So you can put your tungsten all down in here. You can put your cups, all that type of stuff, in these little containers, and we'll have it all contained in this nice pack out system. Now, for me, I wish Milwaukee, we went to the thing and they said they're coming out with new pack-out products all the time, but it's like, some of the stuff I didn't see that would work for what I want it to work for. So maybe I'll just have to be patient and wait. Either the best two places to get this pack out system is probably, well, I think you get it three places: Home Depot, Ohio Power Tool, and Acme Tool online there. But I ordered this from Ohio Power Tool, so you know it is what it is. The bigger pack out box is 48-22 8431 for the bigger one. But I thought this would work good for your welding consumables and all that type of stuff. So that's kind of what I've had around the shop for a while. I mean, I just haven't bought enough to make a video, so I thought today I would make a video of all the stuff that I've been buying. And like I said, we'll go, I've been really working on the hardware store. Just getting more and more stuff here to have on hand to fix all this crap. And part of the welder, that is to fix that stuff. So other than that, that's about all I got for this video. Like always, check out Justin Sturgill Trucking, Instagram, Facebook, Patreon. Throw in $1 a month, help this channel out. You know, I think that's about it. But like always, thanks for watching, and I gotta fucking go.